What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today I want to talk to you guys about a penny stock that I've been keeping my eye on for the past week or so. I think it might be an interesting investment opportunity, so I wanted to put you guys on. As always, folks, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Please, as always, go out and do your due diligence when it comes to investing in these stocks. Anyway, today what I wanted to talk to you guys about is BioHiTech Global Inc. The ticker symbol is BHTG. What I'm going to do is we're going to go through the investor presentation, go ahead and check out some of their technology. Then we'll talk about the price movement, and I'm going to tell you guys what I'll be doing today whenever the market opens, regardless of when you're watching this, and how I'm keeping my eye on this one. So let's go ahead and just kind of scroll through their investor presentation a little bit and see what these guys are all about. So about BioHiTech. BioHiTech Global Inc. is a technology service company focused on solutions that improve environmental outcomes. Guys, whenever a company is focused on the environment in the year 2020 or 2021, that is something that we have to keep our eye on. Obviously, as people, as humans, we are absolutely polluting this earth, and some people have different arguments as to what effect that's having on our planet, but we can all agree that we need to do a better job taking care of our planet. And so whenever a company comes out, they're talking about the environment, they're talking about making the environment better, I get interested. So our technologies for waste management include the biological disposal of food waste on site and related proprietary real-time data analytics tool to reduce food waste generation and the patented processing of municipal solid waste into a valuable renewable fuel. That first half paragraph or whatever you want to call it, that first bullet point right there, that already has me super intrigued. So we know that these guys are into the waste management industry, but they have a different take on it. They take the waste that we usually would put in a place like a landfill, and they can take that and turn it into a renewable fuel. Very interesting. When used individually or in combination, our solutions lower the carbon footprint by reducing or virtually eliminating landfill usage. Another good point. In addition, we distribute a patented technology that achieves high level disinfection of spaces such as classrooms, hotels, hospital rooms, and other enclosed areas to combat the spread of viruses and bacteria without the use of harsh chemicals. That's something that they kind of do on the side, it seems. Our unique solutions enable businesses and municipalities, of all sizes to solve everyday problems in a smarter and more cost-effective way, and reducing their impact on the environment. Okay, so these guys, their main business is they want to get rid of waste that's going into landfills. So here are some key statistics. Obviously, we use a lot of landfills here in the United States, and we use them all over the world. So, this is definitely a problem that needs to be addressed. So, their primary goal is to reduce or eliminate landfill usage. I'm all for it. So, let's see here. So, they have a few technologies. So, they have some on-site food waste disposal technology, which sounds really cool. It could be used in like restaurants and things like that. And you can also track using their data analytics tool. Their patented IoT technology makes it so that they can kind of track how much waste you're producing and things of that nature. And then their resource recovery for facilities for mixed municipal waste. This also seems kind of cool. So they have technology that converts waste into EPA recognized renewable fuel for use for alternatives to coal, which is, very, very cool. So their on-site disposable technology, they have these what they call Revolution series digesters. What they do is so if we just read here, models available to support various levels of customer food waste volumes. On-site aerobic digester converts food waste into liquid that is safely discharged through standard sewer lines. So what they can do is they can take solid waste, turn it into liquid waste, and then that waste can just be um, kind of just drained down the sewer line, which much better than sticking it in a landfill somewhere. So they talk about some of their partners and some of their business growth and stuff like that. They work with a lot of big companies, Carnival, which is really big, Philadelphia Eagles, which I thought was kind of funny, Universal, Hilton, Marriott, Cheesecake Factory. There's the government, that's pretty big, the Federal Bureau. Um, let's see. They work with Hard Rock Cafe. So we got some reasonably sized companies here. Rutgers, which is a university. So there's a lot of cool people that they're working with, which you like to see. So they have some interest there. So resource recovery facilities converting waste into renewable fuel. So this is kind of their plant. BioHiTech controls the exclusive U.S. development rights to deploy facilities using patented high efficiency biologic treatment, which is called HEBIOT, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, process in 11 Northeast states and in DC. The facility benefits, so they reduce landfill usage by up to 80%. Guys, I mean, I didn't mention this before, but we are going into the era of a Joe Biden presidency. I can't speak for the upcoming president, but I'm going to assume, and I think that he'll make reducing landfill usage not a priority, but something that he'll probably mention that we need to work towards. So this company might start getting a little bit of traction here in 2021, or maybe in the next few months to years, due to people recognizing that we need to stop using landfills. And this is their primary thing right here, is they can reduce landfill usage by up to 80%. And they have a little bit of other things, but that's pretty much what I'm primarily focused on. So they have this facility in in the United States, and it's in West Virginia. It commenced operations in Q2 of 2019. Has 10-year contracts for both input and offtake, and yeah, this is a pretty big facility, guys. If you can see the statistics here, but these guys have a pretty large operation going here. So this is the typical kind of I guess you can say pipeline for trash. So what happens is you get trucks coming in, and they transfer into a transfer station, collection vehicles, they're aggregated, manual sorting. 3 to 5% of it is recycled, 95% of it plus is sent to landfills. And this is what they're trying to stop right here, is this 95% going to this landfill. So what do? Their BioHiTech solution is patented waste conversion process. So weight loss of 30 to 35%. They have mechanical pre-screening, biological process, refinement, and sorting. And by the way, guys, if you go on their website, they actually have a full video of this whole process that you can go through and watch. And I did that, and I advise you guys to go do that too, because it's a really cool video. But anyway, so the recycled materials, recycled metals is what they're called, not materials. The recycled metals is obviously going to stay the same. It's not like the metals are going to increase just because you're doing a different process. But solid recovered fuel is 40 to 50%, guys. 40 to 50% of the trash that we're putting in our dumpsters can be recycled and used as fuel. So that right there is extremely intriguing to me. There's inert materials, 8 to 10%. So these have the potential to be used in some industries, but they're saying it's kind of a toss up there. So they are saying that there is a potential for it to be sent to the landfill. And then other residuals for the landfills is going to be 15 to 20%, or 20% or less. So they are reducing that landfill usage by quite a bit here. And then here they just talk about some of their um, the value of commercialization and things like that. And then this is one of their so BioHiTech has established itself as a trusted technology provider to customers in a cruise, hospitality, hospital assisted living, and education markets, all of which has been affected by COVID-19. Of course, to assist our customers with reopening challenges, the BioHi team has sought out additional environmentally friendly technologies to meet specific needs and health and safety. BioHiTech entered into a distribution agreement with Altapure, a disinfectant technology company, to help its customers create a healthy and safe environment through automated high-level disinfection. So they're trying to help out with this whole COVID-19 situation and disinfecting, which is pretty cool. It's an interesting side hustle that they got going on. Here's the management team. They got some pretty good people on the management team, board of directors, and then blah blah blah. So overall, guys, I mean, obviously, I went through this extremely quickly. This is a YouTube video, and for my YouTube videos, this is already getting too long. The company is interesting. Obviously, if we get some catalysts in the near future, then this thing can potentially go up in price. So what I want to do really quickly is just look at the recent price action. So this thing has been kind of holding steady. It went up in the last 5 days to $1.64, went up about 30%, and then since then it's fallen about 11%. Now it's sitting at $1.44 is what we closed at, and we're at $1.42 in the aftermarket. So Obviously, guys, I'm going to tell you every single time I'm not invested in this company just yet, but I am looking to open a position. As always, this isn't financial information, guys. This is just me trying to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So this is one that I really want you guys to keep your eye on because there might be some potential catalysts here in the near future. They're obviously doing something right because, they're gaining a lot of traction here. But at the same time, you guys got to remember that this is, in fact, a penny stock. Their market cap is $33 million. That is a very, very, very small market cap. When they IPO'd, this thing was worth about $4.40, if I remember correctly. Correct me down below if I'm wrong. So we have seen a drop off since then, but if they start picking up a little bit of traction here in 2021, we might see some good things happening. I don't think that this is going to be one that's going to absolutely explode in the short term. I could be wrong. I'm wrong about some of these calls, but I think this might be an interesting one to hold on to for the near and for the long term future. So let me know what you guys think about BioHiTech. As always, folks, if you're new around here, please subscribe and join the family. We hit 1,000 subscribers, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. A thumbs up is always appreciated so we can get this video out to more people. And a comment down below, guys. What do you guys think about BioHiTech? As well as what other plays are you guys interested in for this coming week? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.